जो याद आती है मगर आती नहीं. Later on, Taboo did a movie called Vijay Pad, where she had a song called Ruk Ruk Ruk. So it was like just the opposite of hero saying Aati Nahi and the heroine is saying Ruk Ruk Ruk. But Mr. India, when we were making Mr. India, so when the late night shooting and all used to happen. So at 3:34 back shot बोलता था संजय को बोलो यार मैं घर जा रहा हूँ संजय बैक शॉट देगा. और जब मोबाइल्स नहीं होते थे काला वाला फोन होता था एक ही फोन होता था तो like I was much younger, so obviously they were also not married. So their girlfriends used to call up. And then I used to say, no, I am not Anil or Boni, I'm Sanjay. Okay. I was the only actor before my first release. They came out with the audio cassette called Hits of Sanjay Kapoor. They said Raja was a blockbuster and everything because there was Madhuri Dixit. When Sirf Tum released, there was nobody. So one critic wrote, the picture is doing so well and it's a huge hit because there was Priya Gill in it. But what really changed things for me, where the industry is concerned, was Love Stories. 4 big directors were directing it. Yes. It was a Netflix film. So they all had their guests. And when I was there, I could feel it when the movie started. They were thinking, how come he is acting in one of the films? How a half-an-hour film, short film, changed everything for me. It's not that I wasn't praised earlier or something, but nothing compared to what's happening now. Like the first 5 years was very, very tough. When I was giving hits and everything, it was the toughest period. When there was comparison, people were trying to run you down. People were saying it ran because of this one, it ran because of the music, it ran because of this. Nobody wanted to give you credit. But I'm here after 25 years, so good.
So you love me, no?
So let me officially welcome you on Coffee Time with Griya. I cheers you with my cup of coffee. Cheers, and that's your green tea. That's green your brews.
Green tea is something after lunch I have. Coffee I have it late in the evening. So I'm quite. I know exactly what I'm doing. I don't like mix things. So not too many cups of coffee. So this is much more healthy. And this is Teamy tea from Sikkim. The first flush is really nice. When I shot my web show, The Last Star in Sikkim, so I bought lots of boxes from Sikkim. So it still lasted me since a year.
So if you are, of course, if you are in Sikkim, you have to try that chai, and that's like a haven. You know, you need to try it. Otherwise, you have not Sikkim nahi dekha.
Yeah, I shot at the Teamy tea plantation also.
Okay.
Unfortunately, they didn't give me any free tea, but I bought it myself.
So the last hour is going to happen. That's coming for sure. But now,
I have finished that shooting and everything. Will come next year. Right now, we are here for the Gone Game.
So from the Gone Game, now we're going to do some coffee game. So let's begin. All right. Take a sip.
Sure.
If you have been confused to be Anil Kapoor minus the mooch. If you have been mistaken, if you've been mistaken as Anil Kapoor minus the mooch.
Hundreds of times, Not once, hundreds of times.
So have you ever been like your brother's proxy? कि अरे यार मैं नहीं जा सकता, तू चला जा. ऐसे भी सब
नहीं वैसे नहीं हुआ, but Mr. India, when we were making Mr. India, so when the late night shooting and all used to happen, so at 3 o'clock in the morning, suddenly like I was doing my production, I was kind of assisting Shekhar. That was like, Shekhar was initially going to be directing Prem. So I was spending a lot of time with Shekhar so that Shekhar and me have that kind of relationship, so that when we start shooting, we are more like friends, and like I have a good relation with him. So I used to be on the set till the pack-up. Plus it was our own films. I was doing part of production. So at 3:34 back shot बोलता था संजय को बोलो यार मैं घर जा रहा हूँ संजय back shot देगा. And I think so, if I'm not mistaken, in Mr. India, I think so one in the climax line I have even dubbed for Anil 2 or 3 words.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So like in when we used to live in Chembur in a 2-bedroom hall, जब mobiles नहीं होते थे, काला वाला phone होता था, एक ही phone होता था. So like I was much younger. So obviously they were also not married. So their girlfriends used to call up. So when I used to pick up the phone, a lot of times they used to think I'm Boni or Anil. Our voice is very similar, all of us. So obviously at that time, होता ना वो काला phone उठा के you pick up the receiver, and I don't want to repeat what all I used to hear for 2 minutes, and then I used to say no, I am not Anil or Boni, I'm Sanjay. Yeah.
You know, when I asked the question, जब मैंने question पूछा तो सबसे बड़ा yes जो आया वो महीप मैम का आया. Has it happened to her also कि she has confused you too? I mean, earlier when you guys were dating, कभी ऐसा हुआ कि उन्होंने सोचा
No. Thank God वैसा नहीं हुआ.
Okay, next one. Take a sip if you've had a crush on a co-actor. Who was it?
Now I can't take a sip because I'll be lying.
Okay. Take a sip if you remember your very first shot for your film. Very first shot. The action and everything, like line by line.
Everything. That's the most special moment for an actor. Any actor who doesn't take a sip, I want to go and meet that actor. Yeah. Obviously, I remember it was for Prem way back, like bloody 1990. In Sage Studio, there was this song I was doing, which everybody made a joke out of, called Aati Nahi.
Aati Nahi.
Aati Nahi, yeah. And you know, we all know about those jokes. And later on, Taboo did a movie called Vijay Pad, where she had a song called Ruk Ruk Ruk. So it was like just the opposite of hero saying Aati Nahi and the heroine is saying Ruk Ruk Ruk. Yeah, so the first shot was, I still remember that a big set was put up. The camera was on right on top, and it was my entry shot to the party. And I still remember Shri was shooting also close by, and she was on set also because she had done Mr. India, and same time Roop Ki Rani was being made and everything. So, and it was like the Morat shot. So there was some, like Satish was finally Prem was directed by Satish. So the whole Baba, Javed Saab, Boni, Anil, everything was like very, she had already done 2 films. So she was there for the Morat shot, and she was also there. And I was obviously very conscious of the fact that, you know, the great actress Sri Devi is seeing my shot. Obviously that time she was not married to Boni, but still you cannot take away the fact that she's been not one of the, probably the finest actors we've had. Okay. So yeah, I remember that shot. I still remember they were all up and I could watch them, but I didn't want to look up and get conscious that everybody's watching me.
Okay. All right. Do you remember the song? Do you remember the words of the song, the lyrics of the song?
Yeah. तुम खूबसूरत हो, तुम हंसी हो, मगर माफ करना तुम वो नहीं हो जो याद आती है मगर आती नहीं.
It's amazing. This was the song that people used to trip on. I mean, I feel you've had the most iconic songs in the 90s. Iconic. I mean, people remember Akhiyan Milaun to tha hi. I mean,
you know, I now that you're talking about my music, I think so. I'm the only actor because I was doing, before my first release, I was doing, when I was shooting for Prem, I was shooting for Kartavya, I was shooting for Raja, I was shooting for a movie called Zamir, I was shooting for a movie called Chupa Rustam. I was shooting 5 to 6 films at the same time, and I didn't have a single release. Bekabu was another film. That's the reason I had 3 releases in 95, obviously because I was working in all these films. So Tips, Mr. Ramesh Taurani had signed me. Bekabu was kind of produced by them, and Tips had my music of Kartavya and Bekabu, and he had a relation with Western people who produced Kartavya. So I was the only actor before my first release. They came out with the audio cassette called Hits of Sanjay Kapoor.
Okay, wow.
Yeah, so before, because he had the rights of Raja, which has outstanding music, Kartavya had outstanding music, and Bekabu had outstanding. So all these 3 films were with Tips. So they came out with all this, not Zamir, sorry, Kartavya, which was again with Tips. So they came out with audio cassette Hits of Sanjay Kapoor before my first release.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah,
That's amazing.
that's it. That is amazing. Yeah.
Okay, next one. Take a sip. If you've had a nasty film review and the reviewer has been really, really nasty with you just because you are a Kapoor Scion or a Kapoor boy.
Thousands of times. Yeah. Initially, especially the first 3 to 4 years of my life, I went through this process each and every time. I remember when Raja became a blockbuster, they said the picture should have been called Rani. So I want to tell them, मैंने थोड़ी ना Raja नाम रखा है यार. रानी रख देते तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. I remember when, so they said, I'm very honest to say that, because probably at that time, I would have said it even actually that time, but nobody asked me this. And they said Raja was a blockbuster and everything because there was Madhuri Dixit. Yes, they said it during Hum Aapke Kaun also. I remember when Beta released, but she was, I wanted to say, and I'm ready to say it in front of her also, she's been part of movies like so many other movies where the picture has not run, of hers also. So it is always a teamwork. Obviously, she's been, like Shri and Madhuri have been like the ultimate. So no doubt about it. Okay, so I was ready to accept that also. Chalo, theek hai yaar, chalo. Picture to hit ho gayi na. When Sirf Tum released, there was nobody. So one critic wrote, the picture is doing so well and it's a huge hit because there was Priya Gill in it. That's it. And there's one song of Shushmita which we hardly publicized. We publicized it much later. And the critic wrote, because of great music and great marketing, this picture is a hit. So even at that time, they were holding back on the credit, because what happens is, because my brothers were already there, when I hear about so many things right now, about, few things you hear, insider, outsider, the person who is from the family, what he goes through has got his own struggles. Because Anil and Boni were more established and everything, and obviously when they were coming up, we've all come up at the same time. We were living in a 2-bedroom hall in Chembur. The whole family used to live. That was my parents, Boni, Anil, me, Reena. We all used to sleep in the hall because when my grandmother died, my grandfather shifted to here. So he took one of the rooms. But nobody wants to know that past of us. People got to know about us, obviously, when we became famous. So we've had that journey and everything. And that's the reason it doesn't affect us when we hear about these things and everything. Because we know what we've done. How we fought to be where we are. How we've really, really, worked probably 10 times harder. The kind of things I had to go to prove everybody that I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Now, since the past 5 years, I'm getting credit for things which I did 10 years back. It took a long, long journey. So this is part of it. You have to fight it out. And I always say, I see my glass as half full. To be around for 25 years, I must have done something good. Otherwise, you'll be out in 2 or 3 years. Yeah. So I've taken all these criticisms and everything with a pinch of salt. It's made me work harder. I've not been bitter about it. I've not abused anybody. I've not in my interview spoken about a journalist or anything who are actually trying to get attention basically or something. So it didn't matter to me. And finally, since past 5-6 years, things have changed, and critics have changed. Those critics are, probably not. There was one critic who was very, very severe on me, and eventually tried to make films himself. Okay, and he couldn't make a successful film till today. So it's easy to be on the opposite side and throw stones at others. Sabka time aata hai.
Yeah, correct. And in fact, you've been one of the actors, and people talk about experimentation. I've seen your career graph. You've experimented since the very beginning. I mean, people talk about film actors making the web debut. You did that way earlier. Whether coming to television, you've done that with a very beautiful.
Yeah, I've done negative roles. I was the first actor when I cut my hair totally to do a negative role in Koi Mere Dil Se Pooche. Yeah, so as an actor, whatever I could do, whatever was in my hands, I did it. I've been part of blockbusters. You cannot take that away. Whether it was Raja, whether it was Sirf Tum, whether it was maybe Chupa Rustam was not a blockbuster, but it was a super hit film. So I've been part of good films like Shakti. Qayamat was a huge hit. So Ozar was there. So there were so many films which got so much of recognition. Today, when I travel, wherever I go, people are talking about Sirf Tum. Okay,
Yes.
why aren't films like that being made? I said, हर चीज का time होता है. Sometimes a good script comes, and you make it. So, when I did Luck by Chance, I was appreciated so much in Luck by Chance. Trust me, sometimes destiny plays such a big part that I did not sign a single film after Luck by Chance.
Okay.
Yeah, and I was appreciated like anything. Matlab, till today, I get appreciated by Luck for what I did in Luck by Chance. I'm not saying that I didn't get offers. I was not happy with what I was getting, and I didn't want to sell myself cheap. Cheap in the sense, not money wise, but I didn't want to do
Good
riff-raff
content.
roles.
Yeah.
So I didn't want to do that. I got into production, that's why, since 4-5 years, and I made Tevar and I made It's My Life before. So I said, that's the only thing I know. So I got into production. I said, when I get something good, I'll do it. If I don't get anything good, I will maintain what I've done, but I'll not do anything which is, which I'm not happy, excited to do it. So then, Luck by Chance happened, then Shandar happened. And then obviously I did a show called Dil Samjh Ja Zara on Star Plus.
Yes.
That changed a lot where the audience was concerned. But what really changed things for me, where the industry is concerned, was love stories. Because people saw that and people saw me in a different light. And I still remember that we had this show happening in Bandra. I forget the name of that big theater. It was where New Talkies was over there. It's like a 250-seater. And the perfect mixture of actors and commercial and, so-called non-so-commercial actors were there because 4 big directors were directing it.
Yes.
It was a Netflix film. So they all had their guests. And when I was there, I could feel it when the movie started. They were thinking, how come he is acting in one of the films? And when the interval happened and when the movie got over, I think so. It just in 2 hours of those 4 films being shot, my life just changed. I was traveling to America the same night, and I immediately after the trial, I sat in the car and I was going to the airport. I could be there only for 15 minutes. There were so many messages. And one message I still remember is Nawazuddin Siddiqui called up my brother. He wanted my number. He said, I can tell you also what I thought about him, but I want to talk to him personally. And he took my number to message and call me. But I got thousands. I'm just taking his name because he didn't have, he could have just told Bunny, I saw the picture and I liked him very much. But he wanted to do that. So I don't want to take names because otherwise वो ऐसे लगता है कि मैं अपने आप को पहाड़ पे चढ़ा रहा हूँ. But things change. Things change, and that's the reason I'm doing such great stuff today since the past 3 to 4 years. Like, I couldn't have been in a better frame of mind the way I am in right now, in spite of the pandemic.
Yes. So tell me about the entire experience. I mean, the fact that you've shot the entire stuff, all the other actors included, everything is being shot at home. And this is that one show that is being completely shot, produced, executed during the lockdown. You've not even met your co-actors. It's, it's
Yes,
that.
absolutely.
How was the
It's
experience?
no, absolutely unique experience. Like what you're saying, I've not yet met in fact, I've never met any of the actors. Forget in this shooting, otherwise also in life. I have seen their wonderful work in Mirzapur, and I've seen Arjun Made in Heaven. In fact, Arjun was in a film that I did called Luck by Chance. But I don't think so we had any work together. But but otherwise I've not met anybody. I've never met the director in my life. The only person I met was the cameraman because initially my son did those objective shots. Then later when things opened up and everything, when you could have one person, towards the end, couple of days, the cameraman came just to take the objective shots.
So you've managed to get in your family members all involved while shooting the Gone game. Some of them have also made their debut in some bit of...
Yeah, the back shot. There is this shot which I disclosed it yesterday, where they needed a shot where this girlfriend of mine enters and we don't show her face, and she rings the bell and I open the door. So we just had, I asked Mahip to give that shot, and it's basically, you can see her hair and So she's made a debut also in a web show.
And your son shooting you, I mean, how was that experience? I mean, did you have to really coax him to do that? कि भाई बेटा
No,
please ये कर दो.
नहीं कुछ नहीं. I had to bribe him. ऐसे कोक से कुछ नहीं होता. I had to tell him कि ये दूंगा, वो दूंगा. So then I initially started saying कि, like, because this thing happened in April. So I said like, I'll give you, when you go on a holiday, they go on a budget. So when we travel abroad, so I said, this time I'll give you a little more dollars. But he was too smart. He said, this time you're not traveling. So I said, ठीक है यार, rupees में ले लेना है. But help me out, yeah. Because we shot a 3-minute kind of a trailer for the Wu team and everybody to understand how it's going to look.
Yeah.
And I really want to compliment the Wu team for the vision they had, because and to greenlit this project, because finally they've invested the money to make it. They have paid all the actors, the technicians, for post and everything. And it was on a very thin line. See, this is not a short story of 10-12 minutes. That actor is there, that wo apne ghar mein locked hai, ya he's looking out. It's not that. There is 8 to 10 actors. We are interacting and everything. So it's like a proper web show. So how it was going to look was a very, very important thing. But they backed us up and everything, because watching it for 3 minutes and watching it for 4 episodes, you needed to have, the subject needed to have that kind of, the subject had to be good. All this that we shot in lockdown, we didn't meet anything. Eventually, when you are going to give 100 minutes of your life to a show, that is just a added thing. But eventually, the show has to be good. You're not going to give 100 minutes of your life to say, अरे कमाल का इन्होंने शूट किया, तो 10 मिनट तक आप देखोगे, बंद कर दोगे if the show is not good. But eventually the show had to be good. So the writers and the director have really done a commendable job.
ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि it's been done in a very amateurish way कि अच्छा आपने बहुत ही haphazard camera work करके shoot कर लिया. It's a very, very precise, and everything has been, because you must be having thousands of discussions to actually get that shot right, the continuity right, the angles right, and that must have made the job even more difficult.
Yeah, it was very challenging, and obviously we did the reading, and then the director was extremely hardworking, in the sense all directors are hardworking, but I think so to shoot it like that, I think so he had to put in 3 more times the effort. Where he as a director had to give the cues to every actor also. Of every actor he was giving the cue. And we did a reading where all of us in Zoom we were together. Then individually he interacted with every actor, so that when we are shooting, they understand, and we don't waste too much time, because obviously time is always a big issue, because the light is going. There's too many issues with time always. So we before, the prep was very, very strong, and fortunately we had extremely experienced actors. Their experience and their talent has come across so well that everything is looking too good. It genuinely feels, because when you're looking, like right now I can see you when I'm talking to you, but when I'm giving a shot, I could either see a blue screen, or I could see myself, or I was looking at a wall. There was nobody in front of me. And I was hearing a director who's on the iPad over here in a Zoom call, and I'm hearing him. So when I'm hearing the cue of my daughter, and the mother at the same time, or sorry, her mother and my wife. So I don't know whether the cue is of the daughter or of the thing. So I had to know their lines also. So I had to shift my look if the daughter's on the left side and the wife is on the right side. So I had to know all that. When you start a project, the first day or 2, you always have butterflies. You just feel it in your stomach. You're starting something new, because you're insecure about the people around you. You're insecure about yourself, whether you are saying, are you right in the character or whatever it is. So here also, when we were starting off, those butterflies were there. Plus, I felt like a new person, like a newcomer, because I had never done something like that, where I've looked on a phone, on a blank screen, and you give 1 or 2 shots in your movies or something. If there's a shot that you're on the laptop and you're doing a FaceTime or something, but to do it for 10 days, for 10 hours a day, was very, very challenging. Very, very challenging. Yeah.
आपने अभी लॉकडाउन पे ये जो शूट किया, did you feel, or how were you technologically sound earlier, or were you tech inept? What was it like for you? I mean, did you realize कि अरे भाई मुझे टेक्नोलॉजी से थोड़ी और दोस्ती कर लेनी चाहिए थी?
नहीं वो
ऐसा
तो मुझे
कुछ हुआ?
रियलाइज हुआ because I am good at it, TV and all are concerned. But
हाँ,
ये
हाँ.
सब सोशल मीडिया और ये टेलीफोन के ये सब I'm a little this. But here also the cameraman Piyush, he really like, we downloaded a app called Filmic Pro, where you
Okay.
have to pay and download it. It's a professional thing on iPhone, where you have the tele lens, you have a wide lens, you have that, you know, the formats, the lighting pattern and everything, where you have to take before the shot there were so many things to think of. I had to
Yeah.
take the circle had to be on my face, and the
Okay.
square had to be around my face for the focus. So sometimes 2-3 times I've given the shot and forgotten to press I had to, so I had to, when the director was saying, okay, all set, camera, ready, action. So I had to press the red button.
Yeah.
But so many times as an actor, you're ready to give the shot. So I
You
would
forget.
forget to press that thing. It's been 25 years. I've been in
Yes.
this line. I have had, in 95, I had 3 releases. But they say as an actor, you always learn. There's always so much to learn. I never thought something like this I would be experiencing. Yeah. If I give an interview after 10 years and we look back of my 35 years journey, and somebody asked me how were your experiences, I think that this experience of mine, which I've said earlier also, is going to be right on top, because it's been absolutely unique.
25 साल हो गए आपको इंडस्ट्री में. आप
यार देखो कहीं ग्रे बाल नजर आ रहे हैं.
कुछ नहीं नजर. Before I end the interview, there's a little fun segment again that I have. I want to, because we were discussing your iconic songs, I want to actually quiz on how well do you remember the songs. Only your Mukhra. I mean, I have these 3 songs that I really, really love. 90s children obviously will trip on those songs. So I will give you one chota line. You will complete the line, okay? And singing.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay. दिल ले ले लेना.
दिल दे दे देना, ए माँ करे ना. अरे बाबा करेगा दीवाना. No, I remember this. That was
That was
Ozar.
an amazing, amazing.
Yeah, that was
Like, that
Ozar.
was one song that people used to be like, they used to go crazy about.
Crazy, absolutely.
Okay. Nazre Mili.
God, that's my favorite song. नजरे मिली दिल धड़का मेरी धड़कन ने कहा love you राजा.
Okay, this is one of my favorites. मेरे दिल में कौन है?
मेरे दिल में कौन है, धड़कनों में कौन है, नजर में सिर्फ तुम, सिर्फ तुम, सिर्फ तुम. This song I have sung a lot in my shows, so that's why I can never forget this song. Yeah. Because I used to look at the audience and say, "Sirf tum, sirf tum, sirf tum." So everybody used to get very happy.